Hello guys, this is Ollie at boatshedbristol.com. I'm taking you around the interior of our Akerboom 38. So I'm going to start up front. We've got our galley and saloon area coming down from the cockpit. So nice big seating area, good sized table, storage, nice big storage cupboard at the end there. Some really nice features on this boat. All the wood's looking in really good condition, as you'll see as we go around. Spinning around, we've got our galley. As I say, wood looks great. Nice big workspace. Some big storage cupboards that go all the way back to the bulkhead there. 4-burner cooker. Looks in pretty decent nick. Got a little fridge with an icebox in it. A bit more workspace. And a bit more storage. Heading out to our cockpit. So coming in from the side deck there, it's lovely big windows. Nice shot of the deck. Again, wood looks really good. There's our helm position. Our instruments. Looks like a pretty new similar unit as well. Nice old compass. In this cupboard here we've got our switchboard. Engines underneath, I'll do a separate video for that one. Can't see anything worrying around the windows. All looks pretty dry. Another one here. Again, all looks pretty good. Got a little seating area as well, a couple of seats here. An inverter under there. So you head further back. I'll start this side first. You've got a huge shower. Full shower room. Pressurised water system on this boat with hot water. Bigger shower room than I used to have on a lot of the luxury catamarans I used to charter. And on this side, we've got our heads. Electric heads. Nice little bit of storage. Again, good size. And then we've got our master cabin and main cabin. Huge bed. I can't actually get it all in the frame. Lovely big bed. Sorry. Storage all the way around. Got a mirrored wardrobe. Nice hatch up top. Again, can't see any signs of any water damage or anything. All looks very good. Well looked after. She's got all over covers, so this obviously helps a great deal. And some nice features. All the light switches. Brass fittings. And there she is. Spin around so you can see back down. Cool, this is Ollie at boatshedbristol.com, taking you around our Akerboom 38. For more information, visit our website. Thank you.